electing flag bearers. Here, you may find 1 or 2 people who are not, you can even feel and see they are not able and they are not for that position that they are going for. But you find some big shots in the government, or they call them godfather, trying to push incompetent leaders on the people of Gulusit and the people of Acholi. People are going for positions that they cannot manage. And this has been a setback to all of us. And here you'll find out that real good cadres, real trained cadres who are educated, who have been tested and proven, are not given the opportunities to go and serve the country and serve the diligent people that are on the ground. Because they don't have money to fund their campaigns, they don't have money to run their campaigns and other sorts of campaign programs that may come, which is budgetary. And now, when you look at this one, the great people are the ones doing us a disservice. Those great men in Acholi land who owns a lot of money, they are also doing us a disservice. So for this matter, therefore, I want to urge our local voters outside there, you vote competent people. And this one brings me to a point that you wait and see. As per my prediction, we have a lot of political parties here in Acholi sub-region and in Uganda. What had happened in the election of the structure and election of the structure and flag bearers, it has not been so good. And above all, reconciliation has not been done. People have a lot of grudge within themselves. People need to be reconciled. A sorry must be said to 1 or 2 individuals. People are wasting their time, people are wasting their energy, people are wasting their resources to vie for some position, but you find things has not been moving on well. And as the party structure of Gulusit or within Acholi, they should come up and bring these aggrieved people on board. And down there, people are very aggrieved by the way, because they feel as if they are pushing leaders onto them. It is not what they feel, but they are pushing leaders that is not even of their choice. And those influences come because of money, because obviously, actually, we are very poor, poverty. Much as the government is trying so much, yes, we thank the government through the leadership of His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni on very many interventions, but actually are still poor. And this one has influenced bad leaders even on us. Wait and see, 2026, you will see the kind of leaders people are going to elect. And I'm urging people not to just stick on party issues only. We have some good, competent cadres. We have some good, competent leaders. We have some good contestants in even other parties. Let us, if we know they can deliver, let us elect them irrespective of their party.